Yeah, we are the Weird Name family, and this is RV East Coast. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is RV East Coast. My name is Eliu.
But people call you Eli a lot because that's a hard name to pronounce. And my name is Fawn, which is also sometimes tricky. But
yeah, we are the Weird Name family, and this is...
Alright, so today's video, so we just released one that was 5 things that we wasted our money on.
Honey, that's roughly $1,000.
We spent $1,000 on that? Hindsight would have changed.
Were you wearing the same outfit last week? Oh, girl, let me tell you.
Don't do that.
So obviously we recorded these last 2 videos back to back, but we are back at it.
Yeah.
And what were we talking?
And today's topic is things that we actually did not waste our money on that we did think was a good purchase. Mm-hmm. So, kicking it off with the number 1 most important purchase, in my opinion.
What is it?
The mattress.
Yes. So on the last video, we talked about a temporary solution that ended up being a waste of money, which is the mattress topper. If you haven't seen that video, go see it. We are not going to talk much about it, but let's talk about the solution. Yeah.
So the mattress was really hard. It was not comfortable at all. You're spending a third of your time in your bed. Yeah. We had to invest in a decent mattress, so we got a memory foam mattress that we purchased off Amazon, and it saved our lives.
Yeah, huge difference.
It made camping much more enjoyable.
Yeah.
And it was like a mattress that had like 1,300, almost 5-star review.
Yeah.
So a lot of people like this mattress.
And it was really cheap. I mean, it was...
For a mattress, yeah.
Yeah,
absolutely.
for a good mattress, it was quite affordable. How much we paid for it?
Like $215.
Yeah, which... That's pretty much about what a good memory foam mattress topper.
Right, I think we paid like $130 for our stupid topper. So,
no problems with that mattress. No more back pains. We were both pretty miserable in the mattress that came with the RV. So
our next one that was definitely worth the investment, one of your favorites, was the Blackstone.
Yeah. By the way, our review of the Blackstone GRIDDLE is one of the most popular videos in our channel. But yeah, we like it a lot. We use it all the time. We make dinner, breakfast, lunch, snacks, everything on the GRIDDLE. It's fun to use. And I would say also with the Blackstone GRIDDLE, another accessory that was a great investment was the GCI table that we also made a video about it. I'm gonna put links to both videos. What side is it? Somewhere here. The little table is great. We have like a little outdoors kitchen with the GRIDDLE, so we like it a lot. What's next? The
next is the TPMS for the truck. Did I get it right?
Yeah, what is a TPMS?
Pressure measuring... It's tire pressure measuring system?
Yeah, you got it. So here's the thing for you new RVers. You hear so many stories about what they call China bumps, which is the tires that come with your trailer when you buy them. When you buy your trailer, RV manufacturers are really cheap, and they put really inexpensive tires. And you hear stories of these tires blowing up and causing damage to the trailer, and that is dangerous, and you can have an accident. And I was paranoid all the time about tires blowing up. We put a TPMS system. You put the little 4 sensors in the tires of the trailer, and then you can monitor the tire pressure and the temperature of your tires from the truck. And that gave me a lot of peace of mind. So one thing real quick, this is the TPMS we use. We got it from TechnoRV, really amazing company. I'm gonna put a link to their store and to this product. We are not getting paid to recommend this. We do like their service, and this TPMS in particular, I don't remember the model, but I'm gonna put the link below. The battery life, it's amazing. As you can see behind me, it's now winter, and through the entire summer I maybe charged this thing maybe twice, and I didn't have to charge it because it died. I just charged it because I had time, but we have been pretty happy with it. The only thing that I don't like, too bad I cannot show you right now, is the mount that you use to put it on the glass. I don't like it a lot, but overall it has been a really good piece of equipment, and we are very happy we got it. I remember a video by I think We Can Explore It, one of the channels we follow. They actually lost one tire when they were driving, and they had no clue where the tire was. I'm gonna see if I can find that video and put it in the description below. But yeah, having the TPMS system gave me so much peace of mind, knowing that we are adding one more layer of safety, and also being able to monitor the pressure of the tires has been really wonderful.
All right, so our next few purchases that we're going to talk about are more kind of like smaller things, but our gravity chair, we love our gravity chair. We only have one because it takes up a lot of space, but we all fight over it.
Yeah.
It's actually yours. We got it for you for Father's Day.
Yeah.
But we all fight over it.
And the same company that makes the outdoors table, GCI, they make a really good gravity chair. We're going to put links in the description below as well. What else?
Our organizers around the especially the one on the bathroom door. So nice to have all that space for our hygiene products. Yeah,
and when we put the organizer, we put the little hooks that came with it, and then we staple the organizer to the door, and it was a great solution. That one we got it on Home Depot. I'm gonna see if we can find a link to the same one and put it here on Amazon. But yeah, Home Depot, $11, and it was a really good solution. What else?
Well, not for me because I'm not a coffee drinker, but the Keurig, we got like a small one. Actually, it was a gift, I think, from my parents. It's a small.
It's right here, actually.
Yeah, it's skinny, and you use it
all the time. Even right now, we are dry camping our in-laws, and it's so good in the morning to just make my coffee. And fun fact, I actually went truck camping not too long ago, and I made dinner and breakfast with the Keurig. For dinner, I made one of those ramen noodle soup, and I just made it in the truck with the little battery that we're gonna tell you about in another video. And then in the morning, I made oatmeal, also with the hot water. So yeah, we enjoy having that Keurig in the truck. What?
That sounds wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
All right, and the last little thing that was a good investment that we use a lot is our binoculars. We keep them handy. We've had many times where they've really come in handy for sightseeing. Yeah, we always keep a good pair of binoculars in the trailer. I'm gonna put the link to this one that we use as well. When buying binoculars, you don't want to get binoculars that have too much range, because then it's a little bit too shaky and hard to keep things inside. But when it's a good medium, whoa, you can have a much more control. But having binoculars in the RV when you go to so many different places has been really cool. I actually have one more. Yeah, and I cannot show you because we are actually being filmed with it right now. But a good investment was the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. It's this tiny little camera that I just keep in my truck the whole time. The last few videos that you have seen in this channel has been filmed entirely with this camera. I think there is a couple drone shots maybe in this video, but everything is done with the camera. This is the case for the camera, and it's this small. You have a gimbal, you have a very nice camera that you can bring anywhere. I got the creators package, which comes with the Wi-Fi adapter and a little wireless mic.
you don't need all of that all the time. Right now, we are only using the camera, no microphones, no anything, and the audio quality, as you can see, is really good. So I'm gonna put the link to that down here as well. But you might not know, I am a documentary filmmaker, and I am a little picky. I have a lot of gear, right?
Yeah. I think we talked about doing a video where you share some of the stuff that you use, because there's a lot of people out there that are trying to do kind of what we're doing. So
yeah, we do get a lot of nice comments from the community about the quality of the videos in our channel. So as you can see, I have a little bit of experience because this is what I do professionally, and I am honestly blown away with the quality of this little camera. And that's gonna do it for today, right?
Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of other little things that we enjoy, but we felt like these were the ones that most people might be interested in.
Yeah,
so
compelling.
If you have other things that you think, man, this was such a great purchase, we use it all the time, feel free to comment it and share it with others. We always love to hear other people's feedback.
Yeah, and that's going to do it. Yeah. Anything else you want to say?
Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays.
Yay. Are we going to visit family this Christmas?
I mean, we are at my parents' house a lot, so we see them quite frequently, but we can't really leave the state, and
we encourage you to do the same. You know, be safe. If you don't have to travel, stay home and have a quiet little family Christmas time, and we certainly will, and we hope you do the same. So Feliz Navidad. We'll see you later.
Feel the home fires burning, baby. This drive might take a while, but we are headed home, traveling Christmas style.